Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are talking about how you can create a new Apple ID in your iPhone. Because guys, without those ID you don't able to download any application in your iPhone. But guys, in today's video I will show you how you can create Apple ID in few seconds. So guys, first of all, go to your settings. Now guys, you can see Apple account. Simply click on it. Now guys, you can see first thing, don't have an Apple account. Simply click on it. Now guys, select your age, like I select 18. Now guys, add your first name, then add your last name, then guys add your birthday. When you add all things, simply click on continue. Now guys, you need to add email address. Now guys, when you add your email, simply click on continue. Now guys, you need to add a strong password. Now guys, when you add your password, simply click on continue. Now guys, select your country and add your mobile number. Like I am from Pakistan. Now I select Pakistan. Now guys, enter your mobile number. Now guys, click on continue. When you click on continue, you need to add a verification code are here on your those mobile number. When guys you add your verification code, your Apple ID will be created successfully. So guys, that's all. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel for further more updates.